Hello everyone, this is one in a series of videos I'll be doing on new features in the Infinity Fleet system. Today we'll be talking about diamond and twist analysis. As you can see here, I've already got my torque box set up. If you don't know how to set up a standard torque box, I suggest you watch my video on Setup Assistant with a standard torque box. If you do know how to set up a torque box, then we can go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do here is take a look at these torque box points. You can see they're parallel from each other. Now you can't do diamond and twist on a torque box in order to get any kind of actual measurement, but you can use diamond and twist to verify your torque box and make sure you don't have any damage in the torque box itself. So what we're going to go ahead and do is click on the diamond and twist button up here. You'll see now that diamond and twist window pops up and all four of those points turn blue. That means they're being used in diamond and twist. If you look down at our diamond and twist window here, you can see that we only have one diamond, which means we're pretty good, so we can go ahead and turn that off. And we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first thing we're going to do is add two sets of targets further down the frame as far as we can go. That way we can get diamond and twist for the entire frame. So I've added a point in the front and a point in the back. Then I'm going to go ahead and add points parallel to both of those points. See here, that one pops up, and then we'll have one in the front. You see that pops up. Now we have all the points we need to do diamond and twist. So you can take a look at those. You see they're parallel. Measurements are all looking fairly similar. We shouldn't have much diamond and twist in this frame at all, but we'll go ahead and click that button. Now you can see those 4 points furthest out have turned blue. That means those are the diamond and twist points. We always take the furthest out points to do diamond and twist analysis to get the largest view of the frame. You can take a look at these measurements here. You see they're all within about 1/10 of an inch of each other. And if you look down here, you can see we only have a diamond of 1. That means our frame's looking pretty good and wouldn't really need any repairs. So we can go to side view and we can see our twist. You can see we have very little twist in our frame. You can see that blue line. We have blue lines for both sides, the right front and the left front, and then that gray line behind it represents the other rails, so you can see how they compare. You see here we've got our targets up there, and you can watch them pulse as it takes its measurements. We'll go back to the target placement screen. You see here all the targets that we set up on our frame. You can click any of these points, see any of the adapter properties, anything like that. And that basically completes this video on diamond and twist analysis. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something.